Good day everyone, this is Jake Zacharias Theories, and for today's video lesson we will be talking about the discrete random variable and the continuous random variable. By the end of this presentation, you will understand the difference between the two types of random variable and you will be able to identify the examples of each. So, let's begin. First, let us define what is a random variable. So a random variable is a function that assigns numerical value to the outcome of a random experiment. In simple terms, it is a way to quantify uncertain outcomes. For example, if we roll a die, the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Each of these numbers represents a possible outcome of the experiment. Now, let's move to the types of random variables. First, we have the distinct random variable. A distinct random variable takes a countable number of distinct values. This usually results from counting objects, events, or occurrences. For example, if we want to count a number of students present in a classroom, we can only have a whole number, like 20, 21, or 22 students. You can't have 20.5 students, right? Now let's have another examples. We have 5 more examples here, so I'll be reading it to you. First, we have the numbers of students present in a cafeteria. Next, we have the numbers of defective items in a batch of 50. Then, we have the numbers of calls received by a call center in an hour. Then, the number of goals scored by a football team in a match. And lastly, we have the numbers of times a coin lands on head in 10 flips. Now let's move to the continuous random variable. Unlike the discrete random variable, continuous random variable can take any values within a given range. This often happens when we measure something such as time, height, or weight. Since measurement can have decimals or fractions, values are not countable, but rather it falls within an interval. Now, let's have examples about continuous random variables. First, we have the height of a student in a school. Second, we have the time it takes to finish a race. Third, we have the temperature recorded at noon each day. Fourth, we have the weight of a newborn baby. And fifth, we have the speed of a moving car. Now it's time to check for your understandings. We have here 5 items practice test, and I want you to answer this within 15 seconds. Or you could just simply pause the video so that you can have much more time. Ready? Alright, so how much did you get? Share your scores in the comment section. Again, this is Jake Zacharias Theories. Goodbye and thank you for watching.